In this set, you're actually getting quite a bit. As you can see, you got the base, obviously. You also got 3 different sized cups. So if I kind of lay them out next to each other, you can see you got a large cup, a medium cup, and a small cup. The large and medium are quite similar, but this one is just a tad bit bigger. You're also going to get a single blend piece, which attaches to any of the cups. And as you can see, this is how you attach it to the blender. Very simple, very easy. It also is going to come, pull these in the middle, I zoom in. As you can see, it comes with these ring pieces, which I gotta say, not super useful, but if you don't like putting your mouth on the threads, that gives you a very nice place to put your mouth. So always appreciated to have those pieces. It also comes with 2 standard lids, which attach again to any of the cups that you want. And they just cover it up so you can blend something up real quick and then cover it up. So it's going to come with 2 of those. And actually comes with this really nice, if we spin it on here real quick, lid that has a little opening on it. And it locks in place back here. So, you can drink and have it be like a real liquid drink. You just drink it real quick, store it. Well, what else would you do with the blender? You obviously are going to be drinking it. But I got to say, I made a smoothie with this morning, and it was so simple. Everything was easy to clean because it's so small and so easy to use. The blender itself took like 10 seconds to use because literally all you do, stick all the stuff in there, make sure it's below the max line, spin this bad boy on there, plug this thing in, stick this on, spin it, and you're set. It starts blending. It's very, very simple, very easy to use, and it blends pretty strong too, I gotta say. If you're looking for a simple blender to get you into juicing or smoothies, I totally recommend this thing. This is the perfect thing to get you from point A to point B if you're looking to get started in the blender world. Magic Bullet.